everyone and Happy New Year for all your computer lovers out there. So, if you bought a new computer or you still have an old one or new computer, Surface laptop or the new Surface Pro 6, S and X, um, and if you want to get rid of some programs that you don't need, especially when you're playing games, using certain software or any kind of application that you're using on your computer or laptop or tablet, you want to get rid of some programs, well, welcome to my video. This is my bandicam screenshot. Uh, well, it's a screenshot, but it's unregistered. This is the free trial. And if you're using it, you can register for a bandicam. You can get the premium version of this app, and you can use it for streaming or gaming. You can connect a device to it, to the bandicam software, or using an HDMI input or a capture card. So, so if you have programs that you already been used and you want to get rid of it, especially when you're playing games, so all you do, and especially when you're doing the theft or Easter sales. So, um, uh, if you want, all you do, go in control panel, and let's get this thing open. On PC, control panel, then you go in, programs and features will uninstall or change the program. So you go in here, so you have a list of programs, and the programs that is that comes with your computer is that the things you don't touch. Unless you contact tech support, then you said you can uninstall it for you. So especially when you're playing games, because games take up space on your PC and a lot of memory because of graphics. You use a DirectX video card that's installed. So um, you select a program. Yes. Uh, Especially when you're doing the theft for Easter seals and it doesn't respond quickly, you might want to take on some applications that you don't need. So, yes, select a program, do that. Same thing with the next one. This, see it says, do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device? So, whatever device where you have a Surface laptop with Verizon or any kind of company, so you just press yes. So make sure you read the fine print before uninstalling the application. So welcome to uninstall programs. You can choose automatically to uninstall software and make changes to your system. So hit automatic, leave it there. So perform uninstallation, yes. So that means you're took out some programs that you don't need. So So the programs that's good to keep is your browsers like Google Chrome, uh, any unnecessary, anything with Microsoft, you have to leave any programs that you need to leave on, just leave it on there so you don't have to change anything. So, and even taking out some shortcuts will help your computer. Moving some stuff on your desktop will help your computer move faster. So, to delete a shortcut, do this. This will help clean your machine. And, to the recycle bin. So, that can move. I will log into any motor when I have to do it in Chrome. Delete that. Spectrum here. Firefox. So delete a shortcut, delete, and there you go. So that way your files and documents is a lot organized. So you don't have to worry about your desktop is a lot cleaner. So and the other way to clean your device, your computer is to hitting this. This cleaner will take out unnecessary files. So or you can just do this. Empty it from the recycle bin. That, there you go. So well, if we do the tab, I can show you that real quick. So if you have your new computer and you got it for Christmas and you're using it and you're working at Easter Seals, so I can show you how to do the tab. So let's close this. So well, my computer's not connected to the internet right now, but um, mobile hotspot again. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay, so sorry, my battery is gonna die on my computer, so I can't teach you how to do it, but you go to therap.com and log in your password, your name, username, provider code, and that's how you do the therap. Thank you very much and have a nice day.